Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn about the types of lists in HTML and CSS. There are mainly three types of lists: unordered, ordered and definition list. In unordered lists, each item represented with a bullet point or other symbol. For ordered lists, each item has a numerical or alphabetical indicator. And the last one is definition list, where we have the item and the description of the item. So here we have our basic HTML code and on the background we have our output. For unordered list, we need to write less than UL for unordered list, greater than, now close it with less than /UL, greater than, give it some space. Inside we need to put the list of items. For that, less than LI for list, greater than, close it with less than /LI, greater than. Inside we need to put our item name. Suppose item 01. Let's add two more items. 2, 3. Save the document and reload. See, we have our unordered list. For the ordered list, just change from UL to OL. Then save and reload. So we have our ordered list. But suppose we want to use here ABCD, not 1, 2, 3. For that, go to the first OL tag, give a space, write type equal to double quotation, inside write A. Save and reload. See, the last one, definition list. For that, let's delete this one. Less than DL for definition list, close it with /DL, give it some space. For the main item, write less than DT for definition term, close it with /DT. Inside write the item name, suppose car. Then for the description, go to the next line, write less than DD for definition description, then write the description. This one is a black car, close it with less than /DD, greater than. For the second item, just copy it and paste it. Suppose it's a train. And we are done. See, it's really that simple. So guys, that's how easily we can use the lists in HTML and CSS. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.